Timber trade statistics. The timber trade involves the buying and selling of timber products, including lumber, plywood, and other wood-based materials. Here are some general statistics about the timber trade. Global timber trade, according to the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, FAO, the global trade in forest products was worth approximately $278 billion in 2019. The largest exporters of timber products are Canada, the United States, Russia, China, and Brazil, while the largest importers are China, the United States, Japan, and the European Union. Lumber trade. Lumber is one of the most traded timber products in the world. In 2020, the global lumber trade volume was approximately 237 million cubic meters. The largest exporters of lumber are Canada, Russia, and the Nordic countries, Sweden, Finland, and Norway, while the largest importers are the United States, China, and Japan. Plywood trade. Plywood is another commonly traded timber product. In 2019, the global plywood trade volume was approximately 40 million cubic meters. The largest exporters of plywood are China, Indonesia, and Malaysia, while the largest importers are the United States, Japan, and South Korea. Illegal logging. Illegal logging remains a significant problem in the timber trade. The FAO estimates that illegal logging accounts for between 15% and 30% of the global trade in wood products, with a value of approximately $52 billion per year. Illegal logging can contribute to deforestation, biodiversity loss, and other environmental problems, as well as social and economic issues. Sustainability. The timber trade is increasingly focused on sustainability, with many countries and companies adopting sustainable forestry practices and certification schemes such as the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, and the Program for the Endorsement of Forest Certification, PEFC. In 2020, approximately 474 million hectares of forest worldwide were certified under these schemes.